Welcome to the top best. The best Type S light bulb is probably one of the most versatile and innovative lighting solutions available today, offering a unique blend of smart technology and user-friendly design that can transform any space. Whether you're looking to create the perfect ambience for a movie night, boost productivity with crisp, clear light, or simply add a touch of modern elegance to your home, this bulb aims to deliver unparalleled performance and customization. Its advanced features, like adjustable color temperature and brightness, controlled via a simple app, make it an ideal choice for anyone seeking to upgrade their home lighting experience with convenience and style. Number 5. Lepro A19E26 LED Light Bulbs 5-pack. Enjoy up to 10,000 hours of light from each bulb. That's over 9 years of reliable illumination, assuming 3 hours of daily use. These bulbs use only 9 watts, replacing traditional 60-watt bulbs. You can save up to 85% on your energy consumption. With a standard E26 base, installation is a breeze. Simply screw them into any compatible fixture for instant light. Experience a refreshing 5000K daylight white light. It creates a comfortable and energizing atmosphere perfect for any activity. This pack includes 5 non-dimmable A19 LED bulbs. They provide efficient and long-lasting lighting for your home. What we like. Save 85% on energy with these bulbs, lasting over 9 years. If you are looking for a reliable and cost-effective lighting solution for your living room, bedroom, or kitchen, these are a great choice. They provide a comfortable white light perfect for everyday activities. What people say. The Type S light bulb provides excellent brightness, illuminating the entire room with a clear and crisp light. Installation was a breeze, the bulb fit standard fixtures and the connection was secure, making setup quick and hassle-free. The energy efficiency of this bulb is impressive, significantly reducing electricity consumption without compromising on light quality. Number 4. S14 Outdoor String Light Bulbs, 24-pack. Introducing our S14 LED bulbs, designed for both outdoor patios and indoor decorations. They provide a warm, inviting glow perfect for any occasion. Constructed from durable plastic, these bulbs are shatterproof. You don't have to worry about them breaking easily, even if dropped. These bulbs offer excellent light transmittance, comparable to glass bulbs. They are energy efficient, using only 1 watt while providing a warm, 2200K Edison-style light. Replace your old 11W incandescent bulbs with these 1W LED bulbs and save over 90% on your lighting electricity bill. They also stay cool to the touch. Enjoy up to 25,000 hours of use with these bulbs. They are built to last, ensuring you won't need frequent replacements. With a 2200K color temperature, they cast a warm and inviting glow. Perfect for enhancing the ambience both inside and outside your home. What we like. These bulbs are constructed from shatterproof plastic, making them incredibly durable for outdoor use. If you need lighting for your patio or outdoor string lights that can withstand accidental drops and weather, these are ideal. They offer a warm, inviting glow and save you over 90% on electricity. What people say. The Type S light bulb offers a bright and clear illumination, perfect for any room. Installation was a breeze, taking less than 5 minutes to set up. The bulb's energy-efficient design significantly reduces electricity consumption. Number 3. Meconard S14 LED Replacement Light Bulbs. Introducing the Meconard S14 LED Replacement Bulbs. These shatterproof bulbs are designed to replace traditional incandescent bulbs, offering significant energy savings. Each bulb uses only 1 watt, replacing an 11-watt incandescent bulb. This means you can reduce your electricity consumption by up to 98%, saving on your energy bills. Constructed from durable plastic, these bulbs are shatterproof and weatherproof. They are designed to withstand snow, extreme temperatures, rain, and harsh sunlight, ensuring reliable performance. Enjoy up to 25,000 hours of operation with these bulbs. This long lifespan means you won't have to worry about frequent replacements, making them perfect for various lighting needs. With a standard E26 medium screw base, installation is as simple as screwing them into your existing sockets. Instantly create a warm and inviting atmosphere for any indoor or outdoor space. These bulbs are ideal for a wide range of applications, including patio illumination, garden lighting, parties, and bistros. They provide a bright, warm white light that enhances any setting. What we like. With a shatterproof and weatherproof design, these bulbs are built to last in harsh conditions. If you're decorating your patio, garden, or hosting outdoor parties and need reliable, long-lasting lighting, these are a fantastic option. They provide a bright warm white light and are energy efficient. What people say. The Type S light bulb offers a bright and clear illumination, perfect for any room. Installation was a breeze, taking less than 5 minutes to set up. The bulb's energy-efficient design significantly reduces electricity consumption. Number 2. Rolay 11W Outdoor String Light Bulbs, 25-pack. Introducing the Rolay 11W Outdoor String Light Bulbs, a 25-pack designed to illuminate your outdoor spaces. These bulbs are perfect for patio string lights and various home decor applications. These bulbs feature a universal E26-E27 base, ensuring they fit seamlessly as replacement bulbs for most standard string lights. Enjoy easy installation and compatibility. Crafted with clear glass and a subtle amber tint, they cast a warm, inviting glow. Create a cozy ambience for your outdoor gatherings and evenings. Operating on 110 to 130 volts, these bulbs have a medium E26-E27 base and measure 1.8 by 3.15 inches. They are designed for optimal performance and fit. Built with quality glass, these bulbs are made to last. They are designed to withstand regular outdoor use and various weather conditions, ensuring long-term reliability. What we like. These are classic incandescent replacement bulbs designed to provide warm ambient lighting. If you're aiming for a cozy, vintage feel for your outdoor patio string lights or home decor, these are perfect. Their durable glass construction ensures they can handle regular outdoor use. What people say. The Type S light bulb offers a sleek and modern design that seamlessly integrates into any home decor. Its advanced LED technology ensures energy efficiency, significantly reducing electricity consumption. The bulb provides a bright and consistent illumination, creating a comfortable and inviting atmosphere. Number 1. Visther S14 Outdoor String Light Replacement Bulbs. These bulbs are built to last, featuring a high-quality waterproof PC shell. They are designed to withstand outdoor conditions from -20 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius and are not easily fragile. Save up to 90% on your energy bills with these 1W LED bulbs. They provide the same brightness as old 11W incandescent bulbs, offering excellent heat dissipation. Enjoy up to 25,000 hours of illumination, equivalent to 13 years of use with 5 hours per day. The upgraded LED driver includes protection for overload, short circuits, and overtemperature. Experience clear, comfortable illumination with a 2700K color temperature and a CRI of 80. The soft lights provide sufficient brightness without causing visual fatigue, creating a relaxed atmosphere. With an E26 medium screw base, these vintage Edison-style bulbs are perfect for various indoor and outdoor string light applications. Use them to enhance your backyard, patio, gazebos, or cafe decor. Please note that these bulbs operate on a 110V, 130V working voltage. They are not suitable for low-voltage solar string lights. What we like. These bulbs are shatterproof, waterproof, and designed for eye comfort with a soft, relaxing light. If you need durable and energy-efficient lighting for your backyard, patio, or garden that won't cause visual fatigue, these are an excellent choice. They offer a long lifespan and a warm white glow. What people say. The Type S light bulb has a sleek and modern design that complements any room decor. This bulb offers excellent brightness and a warm, inviting light, perfect for creating a cozy atmosphere. The Type S light bulb is energy efficient, consuming less power than traditional bulbs, which can lead to savings on electricity bills. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.